Ẹ ǹlẹ́ o, ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi, orúkọ mi ni Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Adé. Kí ni nǹkan tá a máa jíròrò lọ́sẹ̀ yìí? In today's topic, we are going to talk about marriage. But how do we call marriage in Yoruba? We call it àṣà ìgbéyàwó nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìsopọ̀ ọkùnrin àti obìnrin gẹ́gẹ́ bí tọkọtaya là ń pè ní ìgbéyàwó, marriage. But a man and a woman, before they become husband and wife, they will follow some steps. Oríṣi ìgbésẹ̀ mẹ́fà ló wà. That is, we have 6 steps. The first one is ìfojúsóde. The second one, alárinà. The third one, ìṣíhùn. The fourth one, ìtọrọ. And the fifth one, ìdáná. And the last one, ìgbéyàwó. When we are talking about ìfojúsóde, this is when the man will look for someone suitable for him to get married to. Alárinà is finding intermediary in between the man and the woman. And the third one, ìṣíhùn, is when the woman will say yes or no to the man's request. Ìtọrọ is when the man will take his family to go and request for the woman's hand in marriage. Then ìdáná is the engagement. While ìgbéyàwó is when they will finally become ọkọ àti ìyàwó. Ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀ púpọ̀. Thank you. Ó dàbọ̀. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.